There's no South African that shall need oxygen while there's a Zimbabwean getting oxygen in this country. Love me or hate me, I am for South Africans first.
The last push by the Patriotic Alliance, party leader Gayton McKenzie, still unshaken. He says his party is ready for the upcoming general elections. McKenzie not backbacking on his party stance.
Come hell or high water, no makanjani, fire or water, but they are going home on the 29th of Mckenzie.
Addressing thousands who are in attendance here, McKenzie made it clear on the stance on foreign nationals in the country.
We are not only saying illegal foreigners must go. Listen nicely. PA is not only saying, President, that illegal foreigners must go. We say no foreigner must have a job here, whether it's legal or whether it's illegal, while a South African can occupy that same job.
Confident, a clear message was sent to the party's opponents.
The Western Cape is gone. The DA is out of the Western Cape. They can do what they like. They are fighting me with the legal fraternity. They are fighting me with the judges. They are fighting me with the newspaper men. But they say, Paisani, Wednesday,
the party says it will not form any coalitions with any organization which doesn't support mass deportation of illegal foreign nationals. McKenzie has vowed not to take any ministerial position unless if his party wins.
The day you see me becoming a minister without winning an election is the day you must know I sold you out. I will never become a minister.
And a plea to some of his supporters to go out in their numbers and vote. McKenzie says the upcoming elections will be determined by a colored vote.
Where we are now in this country, the colored person, the colored race, by the percentage, will decide who the next president of South Africa will be.
Meanwhile, the party has announced that in these elections, it will work close together with the Tutula movement, and McKenzie is confident that this will assist the party in its stance of mass deportation of illegal foreign nationals. SABC News, Johannesburg.